In today's 2-minute fishing tip, we're going to talk about 2 things that you can do to save you from having to go to the reel repair shop. Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Captain Chris Meyer, Central Florida Sight Fishing Charters. And today's tip comes courtesy of the owner of Kel's Rod and Reel Repair in Casselberry, Florida. If you're in Central Florida, Orlando area, check them out. That's where I get my rods, reels, trolling motors repaired. I asked her the other day when I was in there, what are the 2 things that you see people do the most that cause them to have to bring their reel in for repair? And she said, number 1, spraying your reel with a hose to try to wash it off after you've been in salt water. You're eventually going to drive salt in places where it doesn't belong, and then it eats it from the inside out, and you don't even notice it till it's too late. Do not spray your reels with a hose. Wipe them off with a damp rag. Number 2 is putting line on your reel heavier than it was designed for. And this often happens when people switch from mono to braid, and they were using 10-pound mono on their little reel, and they look at the braid and they say, well, this 40-pound is equivalent to the 10-pound mono. And then they start trying to do things with small reels that they weren't designed to do, such as horse big fish out from under docks, catch big tarpon, horse them out of heavy structure where you need a lot of strong gear, and you put that line on there that's never going to break, and the inside parts of the reel break before your line does. So on smaller reels, 5-pound braid, 10-pound, 15 at the most, they weren't designed for 40 and 50 and 60-pound braided line. Do not overline your reel. You'll save yourself trips to the repair shop. If you want to see some more of my 2-minute fishing tips, you can check out my entire 2-minute fishing tip playlist right here.